Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, time to clean. May messy here. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung itsura ko kung makalat yung loob ng bahay namin. Kasi maglilinis nga ako. Wala rin akong Bluetooth. But I will put lipstick muna. Pero naman maganda tayo. Here. Like that. Okay, let's start to clean. My hair and my new look. Ayun. Hello, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Yung rice cooker namin, I will put over there na lang.